For those of you who have a flashlight issue like I do, I want to show you something that ThruNite sent me. This is not a flashlight. Let's say you're a tactical gal like Geronimo, who considers herself a spicy gal. If you're a tactical gal and you want a pretty cool, small, tiny tactical pin, which I didn't know they existed, there it is. It's metal. It's got a chain to put around your neck. And when you get it, this little piece right here won't be screwed on there. You just kind of got to screw it on there. I know what you're doing. You're looking at my hands saying, God, that guy looks old. That's just part of like growing up. But I do like this pen, and it comes with another filler. So if you have any interest in a tactical, it's metal, pen, then there you go. I'll put the link in the, you know what I've never done is wrote with it. It's got this little piece of rubber on the end. There, got it off. Let's see if it works. Hello. Okay, so far it works. Is there anybody out there? I have to admit, that's pretty cool. Let's see if there's any secrets under here. Got this here face demulsifier, pre-emulsifier, I don't know. So the challenge today is, what can we find in the city stormwater runoff that we consider treasure? If you're just joining us and you're new to this channel and you wonder what I'm doing, back the video up about 30 seconds and I'll tell you again. Believe it or not, I found some pretty interesting things in this particular, I call it a creek. It's not necessarily a creek. We'll take our time when we come back up and pick things out. Actually, we'll go ahead and pick that out now, since it's sitting there looking at us and it needs to come out of there. That's pretty cool, isn't it? It's a piece of metal. Wish I harvest. For any of y'all who are new to Alabama wondering why there's so much trash in here, it's not only trucks, this stuff blows out of the back, and it's not only people who litter, but it's also tornadoes. All it takes is one good tornado to roll through Alabama. And sometimes entire houses and lives go up in the air. And they end up all over the woods and all over the roads and everywhere. And eventually, right here. True, we haven't had a tornado in nearly a year, and there's a lot of trash here. There's no reason for that. I did bring one glove this time. Let me give you an example of why I get in these creeks, in these ditches. This might not be a good example. Let's pretend like it was for just a second. Okay, pretend like we didn't just look in this one, but we came over here and did this. And pretend like we didn't look in that one, but came here or here. And then let's move down. What I'm looking for is jewelry mainly, or coins. There's not going to be many old coins in here because I come here often. Not really often, more often than you do. So probably standard issue library is all we'll pull out of this, unless there's something else. Now this is going to be harder to look in. So let's move downstream. It's pretty nasty in here because there is a lot of trash. But sometimes the cracks catch cool stuff. So let's go down here and see if there's anything cool stuck awaiting our arrival. It's cold under here. It hasn't rained in a while, so there's not really any water flowing through here. Usually there's enough water for minnows to travel, and they're easy to pick up because they get kind of stuck in the shallows. So let's peek in this crack. Usually a library you can see right off the bat. I don't want this freezing cold water to drip on my head though, or my head. Oh man, it is cold in here. Oh, there's the exit. There's a lot more trash than normal. I guess when there's more rain, trash washes on down and goes down to Mobile. I don't know. Maybe I'm in the wrong tunnel. Maybe it's not even me here right now. I was sure hoping there'd be a little more sunshine at the end of this tunnel, so we can see stuff. What's your name? It's a muskrat. He was trying to get some sun too. I'm sorry. I know it's cold. I didn't mean to disrupt your playtime. That is one of the biggest muskrats I think I've seen in a long time. They're usually small and scrawny. I don't know where it went. Bride and I come here occasionally and look for things. It's just today. I don't know why it's so cold. I think winter is just around the corner. We're in that tunnel right there. Desire to put my hands in here. Let's head back out and head upstream. Check every crack. Oh, I just walked through a spider web. Ugh. You know what? We should check this. No, it doesn't seem like it, but I have found things in here before. I know you're thinking I have never found anything in here before, but I have. This is the last little tad of warm water before you get into this tunnel. For a little bitty fish. So let's spread it out. Let it clean itself up and look. Nothing. Why? Yeah, I'm being kind of sensitive. I don't want to get my hands wet. It's so cold. Okay, nothing. Shall move. This crack scratcher is so sharp that it gets hung on everything. The other one I have, this was actually my bride's. I didn't want to get it because I don't want to wear it out. I want her to have it. There's barely enough water to clean out the spots we're going to look at. I mean, barely. There's a lot going on in this area, so you're going to hear trucks and cars and stuff. I want to get a little deeper right here. See what's in there. Nothing. How's there nothing? We usually have a library by now. We don't need that, so we'll leave that over here, and maybe we won't forget it. We're gonna head upstream. Nothing here. Let's test this. I did find a trumpet. No, it wasn't here. I found a drumstick and a cymbal in here years ago. It was a symbol of things to come. Let's see what's in here. Not a single coin. I don't know how this is possible. There's always coins in here. Nothing. So if you want to watch a video where absolutely nothing happens, you're in the right spot. If you want to watch a video where someone sees one pipe, you're in the right spot. So see, there's a lot of bonuses and pluses to this. A lot of people just want to see a piece of wood, and there it is. Or maybe you're a rock person. Well, there's your rock. Okay, here's a spot up here. It's gonna have something. Or is that just mud? Nothing. I know there's a couple of fair holes up here that may have something in them, and if they don't, then we'll probably head somewhere else. Here's a fair hole. Might as well use our foot to make it a little quicker. And then we'll crack scratch after since it doesn't do anything. First library, see. Was not something you talked about on any YouTube video because the algorithm would catch the word that starts with C and it would flag it, and it would block your video and it would shame you. I believe that's over, but I still don't use the word that starts with C in the video. The latest thing is the conflicts that are going on that everybody's concerned about, including me. Again, don't dare say the words. Although it is in a lot of titles, there's a little dog leash thing. I don't know why that just popped into my head, but it did. Maybe this is the spot we've been looking for. easy cleaner. Let's see what comes out of it. Nothing. How is there nothing in there? I guess nobody threw anything in there. This one has minimal flow. But we'll do it anyway. We'll harvest that spoon. There's always basketballs and frisbees in all these creeks, and I always throw them over the fence. That's this particular creek. This is just not happening, is it? The big debate, since I brought myself back around to that again, is who's in the right? Israel or Pakistan? I don't know a whole lot about it, so I probably shouldn't be talking about it, but we gotta find something. Alright, we'll drag everything out of here and then move upstream and let it drain. Let all the, well, it's gonna kind of wash up pretty quick, so maybe I'll stand and watch, but I don't know. Maybe we can. Snap ring. Nothing else in here. I know I'm losing interest in myself too. Losing interest. I'm absolutely boring myself. Different tunnel, but I think it's worth looking at if I can get situated here and I don't hit my head, because sometimes the cracks have something in them. We've traveled a pretty good way. I've had the camera off a long time trying to find you something of interest. But I imagine you're gone by now, and I'm pretty much just out here alone doing this all by myself. Okay, I haven't been much further up this way because the dogs started barking. But we will go a little farther. Is it farther or ooh, I thought about that. Is it farther or further? Or is it neither one? pretty good weight from here, so it'll probably be the next video. But it may be better. Probably not. But you don't know until you go. I think I'm near the dog spot. I don't think that is a ring. Ring off a spark plug. This one has a library that I can see. I'm talking a lot quieter because I am concerned about the dog population in homes around here. Because if I get stuck in here with a dog, I'm gonna have some issues. Sure, this is a really good fence, I know, but dogs can get in here. Let's look at this one. Nails, screws and nails. Dog house, dog bowls. I think I've gone far enough. We found 7 cents, a spoon, a frisbee, and 2 basketballs, which you didn't see because I threw them up over the fence into some yards. Oh my goodness. Time to go to another spot. Thanks for watching my videos. I'll show you one more thing. It's not these. These I hang on my face. I put my nose through there, and these pieces go on my ears, and it helps me see little things like this. I don't wear them in the creeks just to drive myself crazy and y'all, but I want to show you this new little handy dandy ThruNite thing that I can't get open unless I put the camera right here, put that down like that, then I can open it like a professional would, right? So you take this and you open this. There's little rings. All this is a little keychain thing. I've never had the need for one of these. It's like, I guess, if you want to put 2 keychains together and be able to take them apart. I don't know why you would need that, but it is pretty cool. It's made out of the same thing that the pen was made out of, which is called metal. And if you ever lose it, you'll have something cool to go metal detecting to find. So anyway, I will put the link to this also in the video description. And if you feel the urge to put one of these in somebody's stocking this year, it's probably a good idea.